Also, I hope you don't find my eyebrows like offensive. I love the straight brow trend, and I just realized these might be too straight. Like I look like I have airplane like wings as eyebrows. But whatever, I feel cute, so. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Katie. I wanted to sit down and show you some tips and tricks on how to apply rhinestones onto your face to enhance your beauty. And it's one of my favorite things to do when I'm doing makeup looks. Just to glue rhinestones on my face is so much fun. Like once you start, you're not gonna want to stop, I promise you. Before we get into the video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'd really appreciate it. It would mean so much to me. I'm working very hard to create entertaining, relatable, useful content. So if you have any ideas on what you would like to see, please leave a comment down below. For this, you will need one of these palette thingies and some eyelash glue. I use Duo just because that seems like what everyone uses, and honestly it works really well. Get the white/clear one, transparent. You're gonna want a transparent one because if you make a mess with the glue, if you're using brown or black glue, it's gonna make a mess and it's gonna look gross. But this at least dries clear, so you don't even notice if you put too much glue around the gem. And then you need one of these applicator tools. Such a booty guru. At one end has the dotting tool end, and then the other end has the wax end, which is what you like press down onto the rhinestone to pick it up and place it. The dotting tool is typically used for like nail art because you can also use gems for that. But I like to use it to take the glue and place some dots on my face and then switch and put my rhinestones on, and I'll show you how. I thought it would be cool to do a kind of natural look and then add some rhinestones, because I feel like people get scared of rhinestones because it sounds very editorial or just extra, but really you don't have to do too much. It's something cute that can add a little to your makeup and look super cute. First, you're gonna need some rhinestones. I like to have them in different sizes just because it's, you know, useful if you want to use a different size rhinestone. I'm gonna use the smallest rhinestone, put it on my palette. I'm gonna record on my phone as well so you can see what I'm doing with my hands. Here are the rhinestones. I took the smallest ones, placed them right side up. That way I can apply my rhinestones faster. I am also gonna add some glue in one of the little circles. Just a little bit for now, because you know I don't want to waste glue if I'm not going to use a lot of rhinestones. I know some people will just take the glue and apply it directly to their face where they want to put the rhinestones, but I like to take the dotting tool in, get some glue on it, and then dot the glue onto my face where I want the rhinestone. I'm gonna put one rhinestone right there. I'm just gonna add a little bit more glue. But you see how it's not going everywhere? And then with my rhinestones facing right side up, I just push the wax end down onto the top of the rhinestone, and then place it. And I like to twist it off instead of pulling it right off. And it also helps if you wait till it's tacky, just like eyelashes. So I'm gonna repeat the same thing. I'm gonna take some glue on the dotting end of my applicator, and I'm just gonna kind of, no, that's not gonna be symmetrical, but it's fine. And then getting my rhinestone onto my wax applicator and placing it and then letting it go. I'm pretty sure you can see the glue, but it's gonna dry clear and it's not gonna be noticeable. Wow, my rhinestones are very not symmetrical. But you see, those are like two cute little rhinestones. Let's see, we can put like on the inner corner, waxy end. There you go. Yeah, so twisting helps so much, because when you try to pull it right off, it'll just take the rhinestone with it most of the time. And just like anything else, the more you practice at it, the better you'll get. See, and I want to keep it casual, but it's so hard because the rhinestones are so much fun to apply and use, and I really want to put a lot more on. So I'm gonna just do 2 more, that's it. And that part I got on my eyebrow, once it dries, you can take the dotting tool end and just wipe it off. You're definitely gonna wanna do your rhinestones before you do your lip, because I'm getting lip gloss all over my hand right now. Very simple, it's not scary. I hope you try out applying rhinestones. It's really fun, you won't regret it. You can get rhinestones from anywhere. It's a perfect look for when you're wearing your mask and you just wanna, the eyes out the window to the soul. Just have everybody stare at your beautiful eyes. Yeah, it was very simple, and taking them off is the same thing. You can just pull on it, and then you can reuse rhinestones. So I just take off the glue on the back, which comes off like once you go like that on the rhinestone. And I just put it back in its little container, because we're not going to be wasteful. Now there is a way to clean your rhinestones, but I feel like that's more if you're an actual makeup artist and you use the same rhinestones to apply on the same people. But if you're just putting it on yourself, I feel like you'll be fine. If you want, you can take your dotting tool to remove the glue that's left on your face, but it'll come off when you take off the rest of your makeup. Alright, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial with, you know, how I apply rhinestones. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who uses the dotting tool for glue. I hope you try it out, and if it works for you, please let me know in the comments down below. I want to know if you love applying rhinestones as much as I do, and I do a lot of makeup looks on my Instagram, so if you want to see me experiment more with makeup and rhinestones, feel free to follow me at Katie Pepitas on Instagram. That's all for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.